Hi, I'm Nadia, and the ingredients for my family dinner are one dad who loves to cook, one mum who is a great teacher,
Okay.
and one sister who makes me laugh. So by now you must be wondering,
Co jest na obiad?
Okay. Said in English. Said in English. Okay.
My parents are originally from Poznań in Poland, a small city between Warsaw and Berlin. My mum and dad moved over to Australia when I was 3 years old and brought all their family recipes with them. All my relatives are still in our old city, and even though we are on the other side of the world, we keep our food traditions alive. Today we're going to be making my family's famous pierogies. Those are classic Polish dumplings, Borscht, Polish beetroot soup, and Kluski Z Makiem. This is a Polish dessert with an extra special ingredient. First up, we need to get the beetroots and sauerkraut and mushrooms for our mains. This is where we get most of our shopping from. It's full of so much delicious produce. So what do we need to get?
A musimy kupić buraki, kapustę kiszoną, pieczarki, i nie zapomnijmy o maku na deser.
Okay, I'll go get the mushrooms. Pieczarki is mushrooms in Polish. Buraki is beetroots. Kapusta kiszona is sauerkraut.
Oh, this is Polish sauerkraut.
So that will be perfect for our pierogi. Celery?
Oh, and we need poppy seeds for our special dessert.
These ones?
Yep, perfect.
And mak is poppy seeds in Polish. Time to go back to the house. Chodź idziemy, Mum. The first thing we must make is the pierogies. They will be filled with delicious sauerkraut. This recipe has been passed down over many generations. Every family in Poland has their own unique recipe for pierogies.
So we'll be making the filling for the pierogi. So first we need to fry the mushrooms. So we have quite a lot here. Good. Pop that
Okay.
in. Mix it. Yep, mix it together and then add some salt. Not that much. More.
Oh.
More. A little bit more. Be generous.
Is this done?
No. It's just the beginning. Okay, so now we need to mix sauerkraut with mushrooms.
Now we have to mix the dough. So who taught you this recipe?
So I've learned to add hot water in instead of cold water from your grandma, from my mother-in-law. Then it's getting more gooey and it's easy to stretch.
Mum trains her muscles when she makes pierogies. Then we put the filling in the pierogies. Pierogies take ages, but we love them.
Okay, I think that's enough for today's dinner. Let's leave this dough for makiełki, for the dessert. Yeah, and we are done.
Now it's time to get on with the borscht, which is a Polish soup.
Okay, so you know, Nadia, how easy this one is.
Yes.
So we just need to pop in carrot, beetroot, and celery. And then we need to leave it to simmer.
Sorry.
Oh, that's all right. And just in the end, when it's done, we'll add lots of lemon juice.
Stir it around. Now we strain the soup. This is a job for Mum and Dad. And perfect. There it is, beetroot borscht. Now it's time to make the Polish dessert that not a lot of people know about. The great thing is we've already made half the recipe when we did the pierogies. Even though this is a Christmas dessert, we love to eat it all year round.
So now we will need to boil. It's very hot, so I will do that for you, okay? And once it's boiling, we'll mix the poppy seeds with fruit and nuts. Let's try. It's quite thick.
There's no honey.
Oh, we forgot honey.
Wow, Mum loves honey.
Yeah, a little bit
I
more.
can smell it
It
now.
should be
It's
alright.
beautiful.
Now we put the pierogies into the boiling water. When they pop to the surface, that means they're ready. Now it's time for dinner.
So what was your favorite part of the day?
Making the makioki was my favorite part of the day.
What did you like about that?
You had to put in the least work.
So
Oh, because I cooked the poppy seed beforehand, that's why. What traditions that we have or you learned from your grandparents would you like to pass to your family?
Food. All food, especially potatoes.
Oh, let's see.
That's the sound of our grandparents calling.
No, dzień dobry.
Cześć!
Witamy. Co
Dzień
robicie?
dobry.
Obiad. A co macie na obiad dobrego?
I teraz zrobiłam pierogi.
O, no to pięknie. No ja wiem, że ty lubisz robić w kuchni. Sama kleiłaś, nie? A ciasto wyrabiałaś też?
Tak.
No to ekstra. To gratulacje. No widzę, że dużo rzeczy zrobiłaś. A co jeszcze takiego robiłaś, Nadia, powiedz?
Pokaż co jeszcze.
Robiłam barszcz. Tutaj jest.
A jeszcze barszcz jest do tego. No
Tak.
pięknie.
I tutaj mamy makiełki.
Mama tobie pomagała, tak?
Nie, mama robiła, ja pomagałam. No tak.
A nie odwrotnie?
A kto ci nauczył robić pierogi?
A kto mnie nauczył? No, nauczyła mnie mama w domu, nauczyła mnie też robić teściowa, a od koleżanki dostałam przepis na dolewanie tej gorącej wody. Od swojej przyjaciółki dostałam przepis i
No, Nadia i Kaja, posłuchajcie, bardzo się cieszymy, że będąc daleko za ojczyzną, kultywujecie nasze. Życzymy smacznego i powodzenia.
Okej,
to
do
do
widzenia,
usłyszenia.
pa pa! Deser! Okay, first turn is to do the dishes today.
Yours.
No, I was cooking.
Then Dad's.
No.
Kaya's.
Healthy. So
Kaya's.
let's do it together, and Kaya will help us.
Still eating.
Yes, once we finish.
Thanks for coming to dinner at our place.
Do widzenia!